Yo, what is up? Today, I organized all of my fidget toys, and I'm going to show you how well I organize. Yeah. Okay, I'm weird. Let's go. Okay, so I organized all of them. All of my pop tubes. I'm just saying it's purple, not pink. All my poppets. Wacky track, a pea popper, and my bike chain, all my Rubik stuff, my 2 marble meshes, my maze ball, oh that's another poppet, my poppy pig, which I call as a poppet because it pops, my 12-sided fidget cube, and if you can't see, those are my acupuncture rings. Now I'll turn on the light so then you can see. Did that do anything? Tell me when it does something. Oh wait, there's something on the wall. Ta-da! More lights are in here, isn't it? Now look, is that better? Here are all my pop tubes. My fidget. All of my pockets, all my Rubik's, all of my marble meshes, my maze cube or whatever that thing is called, my monkey noodles, my chatterbox thingy, and all my squishies. Oh, my fidget spinner, all of my acupuncture rings. This one is not covered in it. Right here, it's not covered. I have my slider thing. I have my wacky track. I have my 2 flying weird unicorns, and well, actually they're cool, but it's kind of funny how they fling everywhere. And then my pea popper and my bike chain. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe and check the bell notifications and like. Bye. Ooh, ooh, ooh.